Yo, what is up? Now back to the money game. What goes down, baby? Y'all already know what it is, man. It's your boy, back to the money. Back with another video for y'all, man. And we in Dallas, man. Houston and came to Dallas. We invaded Dallas, people. So, yo, we about to hit up all the car meets, everything out here. So, man, it's fit to be lit. So, what y'all need to do is, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you already subscribed to this channel, man, go ahead and smash that like button, man, because I'm telling you, man, this is about to be a dope meet. So, man, y'all stick around and y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all know what this is. I got the drive. So, this back to the money. I'll holler at y'all. All right, gang. Looks like we made it to this first meet. And we about to get ready to check this thing out. Man, what's going on, gang? Y'all know what it is, man. We out here at the meet, man. Just got out here, man. We got everybody out here, man. We got Hemi Life. We got A Richie. Man, we got Living with Mozzie, man. Hey, boy. That thing nice, man. Ooh, wee. Hey, y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to their channels, man. Hey, boy, I'm telling you, man, all of them look good, man. You got Scat Pack Black and you got Safe Food Lonzo. Man, hey, we all out here at this meet, man. Y'all know I'm gonna give y'all some of that good B-roll footage, man, but we gotta get all these cars that are just like out here though. Like, man, like, you got Safe Food Lonzo. Man, this one right here is dope. Hey, shit nice. Okay, got a supercharged track heart. Man, you got all these cars out here, man. Man. Okay. Okay. Man, got my boy Amy Life car right here, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe to my guy channel, man. And you get to see the rims in person. Got the 392 on the side. As y'all can see right there, man, Amy Life 44. And you got my boy, hey, Richie car, man. Hey, man, these boys nice out here, man. But we got other cars out here too as well. But man, this meet looks like it's gonna be dope. So, man, it's like so many cars everywhere. Man, I'm gonna try. Man, boy, Scat Pack Black, man. That boy Hydro Dip. That shit look nice. That shit look nice. Then you got my guy right here, man, Safe Food Lonzo, man. This boy got that whole smash on there, man. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to this guy, man. I will put all the link in the description down below. Man, got a Hellcat. Man. That thing, that nice, man. That thing's stupid. Man. All of that, look at all the booty. But yeah, man, we out here at the meet. Gotta move around because I don't want to get no copyright, people. But we out here, man. Back to the money. Y'all know what this is, man. This is just the first meet we just hit, so y'all stay tuned for other meets that we gonna hit too as well. So, man, it's gonna be a crazy night, a crazy day. Y'all can call it what y'all want to call it, man. But it's gonna be what it's gonna be, man. Nice. Man, that thing nice. We got some other more Hellcats. We got 6 whips right here. And there go my people right there. There they go. Hey, we too slow? Man, I was down here yesterday. What's going on, man? It was crazy. Hey. Y'all know what it is. How was the ride down here, man? Hey, you already know. Hey, And then, you know, I'm still now I get my cherry limeade slush now. Hey, I already know. I already know. Hey, man, as y'all don't know, man, this is the Black Santa, man. Man, y'all make sure y'all go follow him, man. On Instagram right now, man, the official Black Santa, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow that guy, man. And also, man, y'all seen this car in one of my other previous videos, man. That's a copycat underscore on 26s. Got that copper on 26s, man. That thing, that's nice, man. So y'all need to go check him out. And also, man, look at this Hellcat that we got right here. Man, this thing is nice, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow them at Sweet Jones Customs, man. That thing nice, bro. And I like how the way he immigrated the blue in that challenge, man. That's what's up. Oh, man, and he got the Hellcat. Dope, pretty dope. Okay, okay. The Hellcat with that supercharger. Okay. Man, check out my guy, Hemi Life. Man, got them gauges, man. Them things look nice. Man, shout out to that boy Hemi Life, man. That boy got the whole dash inside, man. Y'all make sure y'all go like, share, comment to my, subscribe to my guy channel, man. Them gauges look nice. They look dope. Man, shout out to that boy Hemi Life, man. Yes, sir, man. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to that boy Instagram, man. Hey, this good, you good? Boy, I can't get over these wheels, man. These wheels are dope, man. Yes, sir. Man, you got you a Jeep right here. Man, that thing, that nice, man. Okay, Jeep Girl Unlimited. Okay, that thing nice. Okay, we can. Boy, this boy Real always doing something, man. Shout out to my boy Real to Real, man. This thing here look nice, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, Real, you did that one, man. You did that one, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow my guy Real to Real underscore 901 with the Coleons on his feet with Real to Real on the rim. Y'all, if y'all can see that, man, that boy got Real to Real on that, man. This thing here nice, man. I'm sorry, but yeah. Okay. Got the Camaro. All right. Camaro with the doors up, man. That's a must. And it's purple. Okay. And you got another one over there. Oh, dang. This thing here all white. Okay. That's nice. Man, you got everything out here, man. You got slabs. You got everything out here, man. Let me go ahead and show y'all, man. Look at this, man. That thing nice. Man, that shit dope. And you also got one over there that look like 24s or 26s, man. Don't get me, but man, look at this one right here. That thing nice, man. But like I said, man, we got so many cars. It's like so many cars here, man. Oh wait, man, I hope y'all like the good roll, B-roll footage that I gave y'all. Y'all did. Had to put my glasses on, you know. because man, the sun is hot, man, and it's glossing and beaming out here, man. But no, man, oh man, this thing here nice. Man, that boy got the Transformers and the Impala. Look at the Infinity right here. Oh man, it's nice out here, man. You got King Black over there with the 26s on the Avalanche. Man, this thing right here, Highland. Man, this thing right here, nice. SRT light, you know, I got the Hellcat. And you know, you got the homies right here, We Too Slow. You already know how it is. Man, shout out to my guy, Mozzie, man. My boy got that roof. Man, this thing here nice, man. Yeah. Well, they be cutting up down here in D-Town, man, boy. Oh, okay. Man, look at all these whips, man. Man, it's a bunch of people out here, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that B-roll footage I gave y'all, man. But yeah, man, you got a bunch of cars out here, man. Super dope, man. Super dope, man. I like that color changing one right there. That's nice. Yeah, man. Yeah. Man. This shit nice, man. Y'all know what that say. That say Safe Food Lonzo, man. Black mayonnaise, y'all know what it is. Boy, man, that boy on some donks, huh? Dang, that boy sitting high. That boy on 30s, 32s. Man, y'all check them out, man. Damn, I can bend down, and I'm still. Thing still down there taller than me, man. And this thing here nice. Delta 88. Yes, sir. Life of JD just pulled up. But nah, man, it's going down, man. What up, JD? Well, that thing hard, man. Y'all know what this is, man. Y'all see me with the glasses on. Y'all see the Impala, black. Let me go ahead and see if I can raise the window up or raise, yeah, okay. All right, first meet done. We done went to the first meet and stuff. So now, second meet, part 2, you know. I don't know how this video gonna take place or take part, but you know, back to the money, about to give you all the dope content as I can, man. Let me go and take these shades off and let you know that I'm being for real, man. Back to the money, gonna give you all the great content, man. That shout out to Sick Whips, man, for everything, bro. You the best. Hey, this is gonna be nice.